Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well and that you're enjoying the Christmas period. I am having a nice Christmas, although I'm not a massively Christmas person. I hate to admit it, and I'm probably gonna lose like a load of followers and subscribers over this, but my Christmas tree doesn't go up until the week before Christmas. This crack of putting it up in November, no, can't be dealing, I'm sorry. And I wouldn't be, like, I really like Christmas. I'm not some, like, miserable grinchy heathen, but I wouldn't be, like, into the whole, like, Christmassy kind of thing, if you get me. So, like, sitting down and watching Christmas movies and listening to Christmas music, like, that wouldn't really do it for me. But I like the warm and fuzzy feelings of, like, being surrounded by family and, like, having good food and just sharing the love. That'd be more my scene. I wouldn't be mad gone on Christmas jumpers or anything, which is ironic because this video I make the most ugliest, tackiest, most obnoxious Christmas jumper I've ever seen in my entire life. But, you know, people asked me to make it and I will not let them down. I put a lot of work into this. I sat down, I sketched it out, I thought, what can I do to make this the ugliest Christmas jumper ever? So I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the jumper in all its finished glory. It's even got Christmas baubles hanging off the bottom. But I left the back blank because I wanted to be comfortable enough to sit down and stuff in it. I was gonna do a lot more to the back of it, but I also ran out of money. You know, because I had to buy all this stuff, so I ran out of money to do the back, but I'm kind of glad I didn't, because then it would be too uncomfortable, and even at the moment it is a bit fiddly to try and like put on because of all the extra weight on the front. So I'm gonna put it on and I'm gonna show you the little surprise that I put in this jumper. And if you guys are wanting to do this video, please do follow along, make your own hideous jumpers. Follow my terrible bad influence, make your own monster of a Christmas jumper. Tag me in it on social media. But what I will say is, if you are going to do this, don't buy a Christmas jumper in the shops. Go to your local charity shop. They have loads of ugly Christmas jumpers for cheap, and you're supporting a charity, so it's better in the long run. You know, don't pay 20 quid for a Christmas jumper that you're only going to put more money in. I got this jumper for a £5 in St. Vincent de Paul, so that's an extra £5 gone to charity. Anyway, this is the jumper, but there's more. It lights up. No word of a joke, I have hand-stitched Christmas lights into this jumper. And there's little concealed battery boxes in the sleeves so that they're not hanging out, they're nice and tidy inside. So here it is in all its glory. I love it so much. I'm definitely going to wear it to a Christmas party, I think. I think this might be the year where I start to go a little bit more Christmassy and a little bit less grinchy. So if you like this video, please remember, like, comment and subscribe. Share it with your friends. Have a laugh at my expense if you want, because this is truly hideous. Like, there's no if, buts or maybes. This is amazingly obnoxious and over the top, but it is in keeping with Christmas and the fact that Christmas is in itself obnoxious and over the top, because yay, consumerism. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you too long. Let's get right into this video. So here I have one thrifted, mildly hideous Christmas jumper from St. Vincent de Paul. I have 2 boxes of fairy lights, a box of balls, baubles. Got little tinsel wreath. Got one of these giant glitter bows. And of course, no hideous Christmas jumper would be complete without tinsel. So I got all these in deals in Mr. Price, and the jumper is from St. Vincent de Paul. If you were doing this yourself, I would heavily recommend getting a thrifted jumper because it just generates less waste. You're donating to charity, and chances are you'll get a Christmas jumper and then just be able to make it even more hideous. And then I also have my concept sketch because it's always good to go in with a plan. So I have a front and a back. We'll see about the back near the end. I don't know whether I'll have enough in all this because I kind of ran out of excess cash from buying all this crap. So let's get started. I'm going to start by hand stitching the Christmas lights down to the sleeves, and I'm going to position the Christmas lights across the red stripes, and it doesn't matter if all the excess cable is bundled up in the middle on the green stripes because we're going to use the tinsel to hide all that. And what's also good is if you clip a little hole into the bottom of the sleeve, you can feed the battery box down through it so that it's hidden. Make sure that you don't sew the sleeves closed because you want to be able to put your arm through it, obviously. Next, it's time to take your hot glue gun, or if you don't have a hot glue gun, you can totally hand sew this as well. And what I've done is I've just shoved the box of glue sticks up the sleeve to stop the glue bonding the two sides of the sleeve together. And then that way we won't accidentally glue our sleeve closed. And I'm just going to hot glue the tinsel down on top of the Christmas light wires on the green sections of the sleeve. And then that way you're effectively hiding your wires as well as making really tacky looking sleeves. Next, we're going to take our hot glue gun and we're going to glue down the bow onto the collar. And what I've done is I've put the tag off the bow underneath just to stop again the glue seeping through to the other side. And then we're going to hot glue gun the wreath to the front of the jumper as well. So the last step is to just hand sew your bobbles to the hem of the jumper. And if you want to sew a few in the middle of the wreath as well, that's totally up to you. In the interest of keeping this video short, I'm going to do the other sleeve off camera, but you get the idea, and you'll see the finished version in the outro anyway. So there you have it. That's how we make a monster. And as you can tell from the video, it's really not that hard to do. It's just how low are you willing to go for this? Like, how disgusting are you willing to make this Christmas jumper? Because at the end of the day, to make and wear a tacky Christmas jumper takes courage and about €20 by the time you get all your bits and pieces. And if at all possible, and I know I've said this before in the video, go to the charity shops, get the cheap stuff, and get a second-hand jumper so that you're not going and wasting extra money and time and effort and just wasting clothes. So as always, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for videos in the future, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you did make a disgusting Christmas jumper from this video, or this video has inspired you, please tag me in your Christmas jumper makes or purchases. I would really like to see the impact I'm having on the world with this monstrosity, because I know I keep doing this, but like, look at it, it's all, ugh. It's so tacky, but like, it's so flashy and bright, it's kind of hard not to enjoy it. But anyway guys, I'm going to leave this video here. Have a happy and safe Christmas, and I'll see you in the new year. Bye guys!